Hello guys!
Hi.
So we're gonna eat lunch. We are here now in Dallas, Texas. I cooked vegetable. I'll show you. So, pangit.
Nice.
This is my vegetable. And then I have caldereta. I cooked yesterday caldereta. Sasarap. Wait. I need to get my caldereta.
Oh, wow.
Give me here. So that's it. Get your own.
Wow.
So I'm gonna use my hand for the first time here in United States. Okay, wait. Yeah. Let's eat. I used my hand because
Filipino style.
I'm Filipino. I'm Filipino. It's common in the Philippines. Celery, asparagus, and
Repolyo.
repolyo. Cabbage. Cabbage. And my caldereta. I'm hungry because it's late already. So, what time now?
3
It's 3 p.m. already. In the morning. We get up
early.
like 6 in the morning because we need to go to barber shop to put more speed to our truck. So yeah, then when we came back, I just drink fruit shake. That's it. That's why I'm super hungry. Fruit shake, banana, strawberry, and raspberry. Ow, 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 hot. Carrot
Zanahoria.
from my caldereta. Asparagus. You like it?
Super.
Onions. Later, baby.
Eh? Kapan? Tara?
Yung kung siya. Ang sarap. Later, 7 p.m. we have a date with my husband and daughter. We don't know where we're going yet. Ang sarap. So guys, thank you for watching. I need to eat more because I'm hungry. Okay? Bye bye. Bye bye.